kasi ako, natouch ako sa lahat ng mensahe mo kayo. Just start ko. Okay, maybe know your mission and advocacy.
My mission would be to provide, like what I said kanina po, magbigay ng quality healthcare sa Pilipinas. Nung nagtrabaho ako sa abroad, ang ganda sa Amerika kasi they are provided by everything. It's been my dream pagdating sa Pilipinas, yung kayang ibigay ng malalaking ospital, like sa Makati or sa malalaking hospital, can also be accessible to every Filipinos. Kaya pag pumasok kayo sa centers namin, parang talagang highly privatized din. They are very taking care of, talagang inaalagaan yung mga pasyente natin. Kasi dream ko yung kahit hindi nila kaya magbayad ng sobrang mahal, feeling nila mamahalin yung mga dialysis center natin. That's where I am rooted at. Kaya everyday in my journey, lagi kong sinasabi sa mga nurses ko na huwag kayong basta magpapadialysis lang, huwag kayong nagtitreatment lang. You put your heart on it. So that patient, kasi to be honest, for you to be able to, kumbaga hindi naman gumaling, para magkaroon ka ng sustainability sa dialysis treatment, there should be love. And that is always been worked with our staff. So yun yung kultura na na-build ko sa lahat ng dialysis center natin. Kumbaga, maganda yung center, well-provided, international services, and of course, as we run by heart. Tulad nga po yung sinabi namin.
Ano po yung commitment na maibibigay ninyo at ang maipangangako niyo pa po sa ating mga kababayan na mayroong ganyang karamdaman?
Yes. Again, I am blessed na have a partner to Conifer Capital. And through them, naku, excited po ako. Marami pa po tayong mga Pilipinong matutulungan. Just try to imagine putting up multiple dialysis centers na talaga namang magpapagaling or mag-aalaga sa ating mga pasyente. Na parang hindi na nila kailangang, feeling nila mga nagpapagamot sila sa abroad pero nasa Pilipinas lang pala sila. And that I am so excited about na pupunta sila sa dialysis center, feeling ko nasa Amerika ako nagpapadialysis center because of the quality of the services. That is, I'm very, very excited. Kaya po tayo magkaroon ng partner. Through Conifer Capital, of course, the resources will be pouring into the Philippines, will be assisting us sa lahat ng dialysis centers natin. That's why every Filipino should be very, very excited. Kasi makikita nyo po yung aming mga logo sa bawat provinces, na wherein makikita nyo, wow, ito na yung NephroPlus Consultancy, our dialysis center serving every community, taking care of all the dialysis centers in your respective location.
Minsan kasi meron ng mga free services, di ba, na affiliated with PhilHealth. So, do you offer free or discounted services?
Oh yes, right now po kasi, talaga naman totoo pong sinabi ninyo, PhilHealth is free, dialysis is free. Ang kanilang gamot, ang kanilang injection, ang kanilang treatment ay free. However, in our dialysis center po, we provide not just a dialysis treatment, or the treatment in particular for the patient, but also to their family. Maglo-launch po tayo ng mga free consultation sa ating mga pasyente and even to their relatives as primary or preventive healthcare sa kanilang mga family because we wanted them na hindi na sila pupunta sa ibang mga facility but rather doon na lang. Imaginein po ninyo that for every dialysis center, we have total of 100 patients per dialysis. Eh kung may family members po sila, at may doktor naman po kami doon, we can take care of their family as well for initial consultation. And we will be opening our doors to our dialysis center, servicing not just our dialysis patient, but also their family.
How many dialysis centers do you have right now?
3. But before the end of the next pilot will be 10. 10 po yung susunod agad eh. After the 10, this 2025, magti-10 po tayo ng construction. It will be implemented by 2026. Then another 10. So the direction will be 10 per year.
Para sa kaalaman po ng ating mga televiewers sa Nesunod, saan po ang location ng inyong dialysis center?
Okay, we will be putting in Bulacan. Yung mga highly dense population po natin. The first 10 will be placed in Bulacan area kasi ang daming tao dyan. Bulacan, Taguig, Quezon City. So, mostly po muna, ang first trench po natin would be in Luzon. So that's why, and kasi like what I've mentioned, we wanted to serve the community. So that's why aaralin natin ng mabuti yung kumbaga yung lapit, yung proximity ng bawat dialysis, one way or another. So that's why I'm very excited po. But for the first trench, it will be in Calabar Zone, in particular, Bulacan, Taguig, Cainta, and Quezon City.
Ma'am, do you have any message for our fellow men?
Yes, first message ko po sa lahat ng mga nagda-dialysis, naku po, just always be happy and always pray. Ang pagkakaroon po ng dialysis or pagkakaroon ng chronic kidney failure, it's just a starting point. Tulad nga na sinabi kanina ng ating testimonial, ang pagkakasakit po, available na po lahat ng possible assistance and treatment. And through NephroPlus Consultancy, ayan po, abangan ninyo po yung ating mga pasyente. We will be opening new clinics to better serve lahat po ng Filipinos suffering from kidney failure. So that's why hindi na po kayo mangangamba kung saan sila magpapadialysis because we'll be there at your doorstep. Once again sa ating mga dialysis patient, so kapit lang po kayo because definitely we will be your partner, your new partner providing dialysis treatment across the nation.
At may additional pa po ako. Why did you choose yung mga kidney dialysis center? Ang dami namang meron. About cancer or ano,
Yeah.
ano po ba kayo? May karanasan or lapit sa puso po ba niyo?
Dialysis nurse po, by profession. So, dialysis nurse po, tulad na kanina sa introduction. So, I wasn't able to take care other services. Hindi po ako nakapag-ER, OR when I graduated. Immediately pagsalpa ko po, dialysis facility na agad yung aking kinalakan. That's why I grow with that industry. Kaya po kung tatanungin niyo ay alam na alam ko po talaga what is it to put up and at the same time to take care. Because ang hindi pong abang likod ay isa din pong dialysis nurse practitioner. And even until now. Lalo pag nawawala ng staff.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. You enjoy your lunch po.
Alright.
Enjoy your lunch.